Hello, everyone. Wishing you a happy and healthy 2023. Welcome to the first video of Infinity for 2023. I thought we should have a solid topic to get things going for the new year. So here it is. Uh, Recent report from Hindenburg Research on Adani Group. It's creating a lot of waves in the markets. So I thought, what better topic to get started? What is this report all about, and what should investors be doing? That's the topic of this video. In the next 3 minutes, we'll just run you through this. Firstly, what does this report say? It speaks about valuations of Adani Group companies, saying that they're very high. The debt of the group is very high. The foreign portfolio investors, FII Holdings, has Mauritius-based investors linked to the group, and related party transactions and corporate governance issues. Well, to get things going, none of these findings are new. Means for years together, we've been hearing about this. Everybody can see valuations are high, debt numbers are there in the open, so that also we know. And foreign investor transactions have some questionable investors, that is also well known. So actually nothing new in these reports. Only thing, they've timed it so well so that a lot of us are worried, and the market is uh, having a sharp dip because of this. So let's get some facts right before we think what do we do next. What is the overall group borrowing of Adani? It's about 2.1 lakh crores net of cash balance. So is this really very high? I mean, given the kind of assets that they have, and think we have Vodafone, which has close to 2 lakh crores of borrowings with hardly any assets. So compared to that, should be fine. Next, as investors, as mutual fund investors, insurance companies, what is it that we are worried about in terms of shareholding? If you were to see, most of the Adani stocks have negligible holdings except Adani Port, which is actually a profitable operational company, so nothing really to be worried about. Other than this, Ambuja Cements, which has recently been acquired by the Adani Group, that has some institutional shareholding. Otherwise, it's all privately or let's say individually held, so nothing really that we need to be worried about. If that is the case, why such a sharp fall, and what do we do next in the markets? What next for the markets? Well, sentimentally, Adani Group has been a favored uh, group for traders. So trader sentiment has been impacted, and we are seeing that in sharp volatility in the market. Additionally, after a good 2022, markets were looking for a reason to fall, and this has been a reason. So I don't think we need to worry too much about this. What next? This matter will have a short-term impact on the market sentiment. We also have a budget coming up in 2 days. Then we've got the US Federal Reserve meeting. So lots of news flow, hopefully lots of volatility. Why hopefully lots of volatility? Well, more the fluctuations, more the opportunities for people to invest. So stay calm and accumulate gradually. Don't worry about Hindenburg or any other reports that keep coming periodically. So what do we at Infinity recommend? As always, short-term investors, don't be greedy. Stay away from equity. Look at only bond funds, FDs, whatever you want to look at, but don't look at equity if your horizon is short. Long-term investors, relook at your asset allocation. Next few months could give us very interesting opportunities to accumulate. So be ready. Investment strategy, I would say from no lump sum, now we're coming to small lump sum. And if the markets fall a bit more, we would be even more happy to allocate more. And SIP, STP investments are evergreen, so keep continuing with them. Traders, you need to be careful as the markets will move sharply in both directions. As I said, that will also bring with it lots of opportunities. So hang on. So what do we focus on? Focus on only things that you can control and things that are important to you. So what do you need to focus? You need to focus on your home budget. Don't worry about the union budget, that will come and go. Reduce, focus on reducing your borrowings. I don't think interest rates are coming down in a hurry. Finance minister cannot do anything about it. So focus on borrowing less. Focus on investing for your future because nobody else is going to do anything about it. And focus on your asset allocation. Already mentioned about it. Don't worry about Adani Group. Let him manage his situation. You focus on your situation. On a lighter note, with all this Adani Group, I mean, the kind of stocks that Hindenburg goes after, I wouldn't be surprised if we come to know that Hindenburg is partly been funded by Elon Musk, Twitter, Nikola, Bosch, now Adani. So That's just on a lighter note, nothing really serious. As always, be fearful when others are greedy and be greedy when others are fearful. Hopefully, people are going to be fearful. So let's get greedy when markets fall. Sounds simple, but in the past, we've seen it's not really so simple. When the markets fall, even people who intend to be buying, start panicking. So enjoy the ride. Thank you for watching this video, and do share with friends who are worried about all this Adani Group news flow. Share with them as well. Thank you.